This machine is for we put the cell onto the equipment, as you can see. And after that, you have the machine to clean the part for put the IC and also FPC. And after clean, put the ACF, this machine. After that, put the ACF, then we will put the IC. Put the IC. The first step is for the pressure. Pressure is use the detonate, the ACF and the IC film to ensure IC and the cell can connect very well. Here is for the intrinsic pressure. After this part is for COG. The next process is for the FOG. FOG, as you can see, you will put the ACF first, and then you will put the FPC. After we put the FPC, we will have the next step is for the pressure. Pressure is to ensure ACF, FPC with the cell and IC can connect well, and then we will have the pressure to detonate the ACF. After the pressure, we will have the intrinsic pressure. So after the COG, FOG, and then the next step is for the glue. As you can see, this machine, automatic machine, they have the for the glue from the X to Y. Here also is for the glue. This all is the automatic machine. So after COG, FOG, then we will have the appearance inspection, like checking the appearance. And after we have the appearance inspection, then we will have the function inspection. For the function inspection, we will check the FPC, IC with the cell, and also we will have some function testing like the green color, blue color, also red color, and also other colors. So let's check. After the COG, FOG process, then we must to have a next step for inspection, like the function inspection. For this part, normally we will have the different to check green, blue, or red, and also other colors to ensure the product is real, and also to checking the IC with the cell, FPC with the cell, they are working well, can show the four colors.